Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario 64 on PC. To begin, you'll need an emulator, which is software that mimics the Nintendo 64 console. You'll also require a Super Mario 64 game file, often called a ROM. Before starting, quickly check your computer's specifications to ensure it can handle the emulation for a smooth experience. Choosing the right emulator is key. Project 64 is a widely used and user-friendly option, especially for Windows users, known for its ease of setup and good compatibility. Another strong contender is Mupen 64 Plus, which is open source and offers great compatibility across various platforms. Take a moment to explore these and other emulators to find one that best suits your computer and preferences. Once you've selected an emulator, download and install it on your PC. Next, you'll need to acquire the Super Mario 64 ROM file. It's important to find this from a reputable source to ensure file integrity. After downloading, open your emulator, locate the option to open ROM or load game, and select your Super Mario 64 file to start your adventure. For the best experience, customize your controls. You can map actions to your keyboard or connect a gamepad for a more authentic feel. Many emulators allow you to enhance graphics, such as increasing the resolution to 4 times the original or adjusting the aspect ratio for widescreen displays. Remember to utilize the emulator's save state features to preserve your progress at any point during gameplay.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.